If you're seeing the Google Calendar message that says, an internal error has occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to get Calendar working again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it's caused by a temporary browser problem, a bad cached file, a conflicting extension, or even a sign-in issue. So before you panic, let's go through the easiest steps one by one. And if this video helps you out, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes Google Calendar just needs a simple reload to clear a temporary glitch. If you're on a Windows computer, press F5 on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you can use your browser's refresh or reload button instead. After the page reloads, check to see if the error disappears and if your calendar loads normally. This is the fastest fix, and in some cases it's all you need. If the error is still there, the next step is to try Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This is important because Incognito Mode opens the browser without using most extensions, cookies, or saved sites data. To do this, open a new Incognito window in your browser, then go to Google Calendar and sign in again with your Google account. If Calendar works fine in Incognito Mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is blocking something or interfering with the site. In that case, you may need to disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. If Incognito doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger errors in Google services like Calendar. Go into your browser settings, find the section for privacy or browsing data, and delete cookies and cached site data for Google. Make sure you target the Google-related site data so you're clearing the problem files without creating unnecessary issues elsewhere. After that, close your browser completely and open it again. Then go back to Google Calendar and check whether the internal error is gone. If you're still seeing the same message, try signing out and back into your Google account. Sometimes the issue is tied to the current session, and logging out fully can reset it. So sign out of your Google account completely, close the browser if needed, and then sign back in using the same account that you use for Google Calendar. Once you're signed in again, reload Calendar and see if it starts working normally. If one of these fixes worked, that's great. You've likely solved the issue without needing anything complicated. If not, the problem may be temporary on Google's side, so you may want to wait a little and try again later. But in most cases, refreshing the page using Incognito Mode, clearing cache, or signing out and back in will resolve the Google Calendar internal error. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.